Selamat datang na masaya, Teddy Amarillo from Brunei.
Sustay, konyon ko Teddy Amarillo from Cambodia.
Halo, nama saya Romel Carpio from Indonesia.
Sabay di! Konyunso, Micaela Lacanilaw from Lao.
Hi, nama saya Francis Bacalores from Malaysia.
Ningalaba Kenao. Yanay Marcelo from Myanmar.
Kamusta? Ako si Christian Gonzalez, galing sa Pilipinas.
Hello, my name is Aldrin James Bustillos from Singapore.
Sawadika! Shanjoy Edian!
Bon dia! Kaunaran, Mika from Timor-Leste. Xin chào, tên tôi là Ronaldin Abelia from Vietnam.
Welcome to Brunei. Brunei is a peaceful gem with the royal places and a beautiful mosque. Visit Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque or take a boat ride through Kampor Ayer, the floating village.
Cambodia is home to one of the greatest wonders in the world, Angkor Wat. Behind temples, explore vibrant local market and enjoy traditional dishes like fish amok and laklok.
Indonesia is pure magic with over 17,000 islands. It's a world of diversity. Explore Bali's beaches, visit the sacred Borobudur Temple or hike up Mount Bromo at sunrise. Indonesian cuisine is also bursting with flavor. Try nasi goreng and satay.
Welcome to Lao. Lao is a peaceful and spiritual. Watch the monks collecting alms at sunrise, relax by the Mekong River, and explore the stunning waterfalls of Luang Prabang. It's the perfect escape from the city life.
Malaysia offers the perfect mix of tradition and modern life. From Kuala Lumpur skyline to the vibrant street art of Penang, there's something for everyone. Be sure to taste the famous nasi lemak at satay at night market.
Myanmar. Open Golden Temple in Asian cities. Explore the Thousand of Pagodas in Bagan or take a boat across scenic Ini Lake is a journey into timeless culture.
Singapore may be small, but it's full of surprises. Experience futuristic garden, ride the Singapore Flyer, and eat world-famous soccer center. It's clean, safe, and foodie paradise.
Hello! Welcome to the Philippines. With more than 7,000 islands, you'll never run out of things to see. Visit the White Sands of Palawan, ride a colorful jeepney, and experience the Joy of Filipino festivals. And of course, halo-halo and lechon are must-tries.
In Thailand, the lands of smiles, from the bustling streets of Bangkok to the peaceful temples of Chiang Mai and the crystal beaches of Phuket, Thailand has it all. Don't miss the Pad Thai, mango sticky rice, and the famous Sangkran Water Festival.
Next up is Vietnam, a land of breathtaking landscape and vibrant culture. Cruise along Halong Bay, explore the ancient town of Hoi An. The feast on delicious dishes like pho and banh mi. The best part, Vietnamese coffee. Lastly, Timor-Leste, is Southeast Asia's hidden treasure. Dive into untouched waters, hike to the hills of Dili, and discover the rich blend of Portuguese and Timorese traditions. A true off-the-beaten-path experience. Southeast Asia is a region of beauty, diversity, and more.
From Asian temples to modern cities, delicious food to vibrant cultures.
There's always something amazing waiting for you.
Come and explore Southeast Asia.